Look at that. It's pretty. We got some dark clouds. It's really bad over here. There's some pretty blue. Got some wrestling going on. I think there's Fuzzykins and plug-in wrestling. Mm-mm. Look at that. Birds. Got some real dark blue over there over the carport. And the rainbow's done gone. So it's done left. So pretty. Fuzzykins trying to play with the two kittens. Get closer. And the two kittens are trying to play as well. Got some trash cans, metal ones. They've been out here since I was a child. And that's what we used to put our trash in way back then. And now we got these plastic. Now we got these plastic ones now. We just never did. There ain't nothing in them anyway. Oh, now it's raining now. It's picked up rain. Whoop. I gotta move. Phone is not wettable. Yeah, you can hear the rain now. Fuzz fuzz. Alright, cross. Try not to sneeze. Fuzz fuzz. Playing in the rain. Temple. I hear the Chihuahua Mafia going. Just saw a black dog. And the back of the house back there. Hopefully it won't go after my cats. Stray dogs. I have a few cats out here playing. Maybe the dog will go away. As for the guy who hit that tree next door, he hit a cedar tree. It's still knocked down. I've not shown anybody, but yeah.